This has been the best adventure of my life. In 1998, I broke the tax system on wine so that I don't pay the excise duty or the VAT. We've now had 17 years of being the top of our industry, top of the tree. We still supply 80–90% of all cooking wine in this country. The new product development is my biggest and most exciting part of my job. If I can think of a new idea, bring a new idea to market, whatever we can do, that's a real privilege. The winery, as we like to call it, was set up because after 14 or 15 years with a contract packer, we had a great relationship, everything was working well, but for us to be able to develop ourselves even further for the next 10 years, it became obvious that the winery that we was using wasn't quite going to be able to keep up with us. So last year we invested nearly £2 million. We started the build in January of this year, and it took us over 6 months to build this, which is quite an amazing feat.
The manufacture of cooking wine involves the receiving of bulk wines in tankers, normally 26,000 litres. We have the capacity to hold approximately 196,000 litres. So we receive them into the tanker receiving tanks. It takes us about an hour and a half to unload a tanker through the best pumps that are available to this trade. Once in the receiving tank, we will take proportions of the bulk wine and turn it into the finished product by adjusting the flavour profile and alcohol content using potable water. Once in the finished blend tank, we would then pass it through a filtering step and a flash pasteuriser before filling it into the bags. The manufacturing capability of this factory is to be able to put cooking wine into bag-in-box, and also we can fill bottles with 187ml bottles of wine or 500ml bottles with food glazes. We dispatch about 150 pallets a week. Each pallet is equivalent to just about 1,000 litres of cooking wine. You can see it's 150,000 litres a week is passing through this facility.
As a major supplier of cooking wines in this country, we have very strict controls on the products that we manufacture, and these require that we have exacting standards to meet in terms of the analytical controls and physical controls carried out on all of our products. When I first started, the factory was just a dream. The dream's now become a reality, and it's been really good to be a major part in the development and design of it.
When we built the unit, I wanted to make sure the chemists had the best equipped lab and with the best facilities to look good and feel good and make everybody work well. In amongst that, I also treated myself to a development kitchen. It has a Charvet range, and we've got some as a Unox oven, and it has some very nice equipment in it. The future is quite simple. We've made an investment for 10 years. Where we're going to be with what products, who knows, but we'll be continually inventing and pioneering new products. We've brought out a patisserie range of products which are alcohol-free and sugar-free, so they've only got the natural sugars of the fruit. We're working on a new balsamic range of flavoured balsamic glazes. We're expanding. We've now got products to go into Dubai and Thailand. Halal products, so they are religiously acceptable. The opportunities are endless for where we go. What we'll be doing in 10 years' time, who knows? So it's very exciting.